And just so you know, Ardell came out with their own metallic magnetic lashes. This is sealed. I got this last week when I did groceries, and I was so excited, but I didn't try it because lashes give me a hard time, so I haven't tried it yet. But I'm thinking about trying it on camera with you guys next week. But this is only $15, and supposedly, I think you get a good 30 uses out of the lashes. I'm not sure. At least that's what the more expensive ones say, like $40. I think those are, and this was only 15. So excited to try that. I just always have the worst time with false lashes, so excited to try this out. I think I'll eventually try it out. Not sure, maybe next week. I didn't want to do it today. I was thinking about trying it yesterday. I was